Mike G back again with another video. Today's video, I'm going to La Fogata. It's a food truck that's on Hartford Ave. I don't even know if they even open today. It's a Sunday. I'm probably going to drop this video tomorrow, so I don't even know what today's date is, but December something. I don't know what day it is. I'll put it up. But yeah, I don't even know if this place is open, but I'm gonna go there. I see they have Birria Ramen, so I want to try that. I never tried that before, and I think I'm gonna get me another Shuko. Testing out these lights, these new lights that I got. I see it's too bright, and if I go like that, it looks better. And I can't turn the mirror lights off, so I'm gonna try to unplug them. But I'm probably gonna get the Birria Ramen and the Shuko, and then go to one of my friend's house. So I'll probably do the video inside of his house. But I'll turn you guys back on when I get there, because I'm riding around East Providence with my interior lights on, and everybody's looking at me, and it's really bright in here. So yeah, I'll turn you guys back on when I get either closer to the place, the food truck. I gotta stop at the bank too, because I don't have any cash on me, and I don't know if they take cards, so I gotta stop at the bank. And the bank's right down the street from the food truck, so turn you guys back on whenever I get a chance. All right, I checked. It says they close at 9 o'clock on Sundays, 9 o'clock at night. So right now I'm on Hartford Ave. It's raining out. I just got off the highway. See if this place is open. It should be open. They said 9 o'clock, so turn you guys around. Alright, as you can see, I made it and they're open. But let me ask if they take cards. See if they even got what I want. It's La Fogata, Providence, Rhode Island. This is Hartford Ave. I don't know if they got an address here or what. They're just parked in a parking lot, and I can't see the address to the place across the street. So it's a food truck on Hartford Ave, but $20.70 was the total for the Shuko, a mixed Shuko, and the Birria Ramen. I hope this Birria Ramen's good. It should be. It's noodles, broth, and birria, so you can't really mess that up. But hopefully they didn't, or they don't. I just fresh out of work. I think I said that earlier. I need a haircut. Today's Sunday. Monday is haircut day. So I know I'm looking messed up right now, but I ain't really worried about it. She told me about 15 minutes for this food to get done, so I'll turn these guys back on when I go get it. The picture on the window, it says the Shuko. I got the mixed Shuko. That's $12. And the Birria Ramen is $8. But yeah, I'm still here waiting. I think it's done. I don't. Yeah, it's done. Let me go grab that. Got the food, the Birria Ramen, the Shuko. I'm gonna go to the house now and show you guys what I got. What we got here? Napkin. This is the Shuko. Mixed Shuko. Get a little bit closer. Looks really good. It smells really good. Well, they threw some fries in there too. I wasn't gonna get the Shuko. I was just gonna get the ramen, but I was there. Might as well. I taste the steak. I think there's a hot dog in there. Very good. Shuko is great. I think this is the best one I ever had. Get to this Birria Ramen. Look at that. We get a little closer for you. I don't think I can get closer because I'm gonna spill it. It smells really good. I think I'm gonna need a fork with this, but this looks really good. It is really good. This fork is all messed up, but I don't even see any noodles in here. Oh, here they go on the bottom. I thought they was gonna be really thick noodles, but I guess not. This is my first time having this. It's really good. I was just talking about this yesterday with my girl. I told her I wanted Birria. I wanted to find a place that had Birria Ramen. And I remember, I thought I saw the place, La Fogata. I thought I seen that they had it a while ago. And they do, they got it. I'm trying to get closer for you. But it is really good. Mike G approved. It's a lot of meat in here. This is really good. So, thumbnail. I'm telling you, try this out. For $8 for this. This Birria Ramen. Really good. Go check them out. Half it out. Providence, Rhode Island. This place is the first place I ever had birria at. But when I had them, the food truck wasn't in the spot that it's at right now. It was down the street more. It was near a liquor store. I don't know the name of the street or whatever, but they moved the spot. Same food truck though. Food was really good. Go check them out. Mike J approved. I'm telling you, this Shuko was the best I ever had. I wanted to go to this place for Shuko when I heard they had it a while ago, but I never made it there. I should have, because this is the best one I ever had, for real. But I showed you guys everything, told you what I thought about it. I just thought about something. There's not really anything in there. This is my last bite. Just gonna dip that in there. I'm telling you. For $20, you got this big sandwich. They can't, I don't know if it comes with fries or what, but you got this big sandwich with some fries in it. And the soup, really good. Check them out. Go see for yourself. Look at all the meat in there. It's great. It tastes really good. My brother said he made mac and cheese. That's why I wasn't gonna. I was only gonna get the Birria Ramen because he said he made mac and cheese. So I wasn't gonna get the Shuko. I'm done for right now. I ate one half of this. I'm about to take this last bite of this. I eat the rest later when I get home. But I'm telling you, check them out. It's really good. La Fogata, Providence, Rhode Island on Hartford Ave. Check them out. It's really good. Everything I ever bought from there is really good. And this is the best Shuko I ever had. I'm full already. But the steak tastes great. The berry is great. Everything's great. What are you waiting for?